Welcome. If you want to check match history in League of Legends Wild Rift at the first, you have to click right here on the icon. When we are here, we have to tap on the match history. And as you can see, here we got the history of our games. We can also check the details by clicking right here. So we can check score of other players, of our opponents and enemies. And also we can add the players to their list friend. We can also share this. We can check, the gold graphic, the X graphic, the gold breakdown for each minute, and the same for the X. Also, we can click here and we can save this picture to send for the friends, but we can also share it straight to the Facebook. We can also only share our personal performance by clicking here. So we your score with the most common data. And yeah, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!